The United States has urged respect for the Hague ruling on the South China Sea arbitration case unilaterally filed by the Philippines. The Permanent Court of Arbitration is set to make its final decision on Tuesday in the case between the Philippines and China. Beijing has repeatedly stressed a rejection of the ruling. Washington is not directly part of the territorial disputes and has urged for them be resolved through diplomacy. However, the United States has boosted its military presence in the region. 3 U.S. destroyers have been patrolling near the Huangyan Islands and Nansha Islands further south. Aircraft carrier USS Ronald Reagan is also in the South China Sea. Beijing states that it will not take a single step back. It is currently holding its annual military drills around the Shisha Islands in the northern part of the sea. The Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte earlier this week proposed dialogue with China following the court's decision next week, offering discussions about issues such as setting up joint ventures for sharing natural resources. Spokesman for the Chinese Foreign Ministry's Hong Lei has reiterated that China will neither accept nor recognize the so-called arbitration and its ruling. Permanent Court of Arbitration ruling is set for July 12th. 3 U.S. destroyers, as we reported, they have been patrolling the area.
The so-called arbitration, which was unilaterally filed by the Philippines Aquino government, distorts the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. It is a challenge to the Declaration on the Conduct of Parties in the South China Sea as a regional rule. It has truly undermined the rule of law. China's position will not change. It is pure fantasy to think diplomatic pressure and sensationalization will force China to accept the verdict. We advise relevant parties to give up such futile attempts as soon as possible.